Check out our newest feature update. We now have nested folders for workflows. This feature allows businesses to create a hierarchy of folders within folders, streamlining organization and management of workflows, ultimately enhancing productivity and efficiency right within the CRM. Let's talk about those benefits. Well, first, this is going to enhance your organization. Create nested folders in groups related to workflows together. I love that. Now you will also have improved workflow management. Businesses can establish a structured hierarchy for their workflows. This is amazing because it really works the way we work on our computers within our own folder systems. And this is going to simplify your permissions management because nested folders are also permissionable from the parent folders. Now let's talk about that practical use for a small business. Now, as a small and busy business owner, you can now use nested folders in workflows to organize your marketing campaigns by creating nested folders for different campaign types. As an example, email campaigns, social media campaigns, etc. Improving workflow management and ensuring all the team members can easily access and collaborate on relevant campaigns. Let me show you exactly where that is. First, let's go ahead and create a workflow folder. To do that, you're going to want to be under automation and workflows, and you're just going to simply click the create folder button. Go ahead and just create that folder. You'll input the folder name and hit create. As always, you can still move folders around, and so that's nice and easy. You'll be able to do that with the kebab, which is the 3 vertical dots. You can also choose your destination. So choose from the drop down and just move. Now, you can also create a new folder while moving workflows. So that is under new folders and then input name, and then you're going to go ahead and check that icon. You'll also be able to still move those folders by selecting the newly created folder and moving. Here you can manage your permissions. So you're going to select that folder with the kebab and you're going to manage those permissions. So when I'm talking about managing permissions, this is going to be related to who can actually access what is inside of this folder. I love this feature. Here's how you go ahead and set those permissions. So you will go ahead and define those based on what works best for your business and your organization, and you're going to hit update. I love this feature because it provides your business with a powerful organizational tool, enabling you to create a structured hierarchy of folders for efficient workflow management, simplifying those permissions and enhancing productivity, ultimately leading to better business operations and outcomes. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.